What's up? We have finally made it to Disney World, Fort Wilderness. It was a rough ride. So I'll show you right here. That's two different sets of wheels on the truck. Had a flat tire. Tried to fix the one. So, but we're here, and that's all that matters. So we're gonna ask the kids here what they are most excited about to go see.
Mickey's Halloween party.
Mickey's Halloween party. Is that what we're doing tomorrow night? Mickey's
Yes.
Halloween party?
I'm excited. I'm excited.
Uh-oh, we turned the camera on him. He got shy. Halloween party tomorrow night. We're gonna take a day off on Monday. I'm probably gonna get up early on Tuesday. Here's Marina.
Hi. Thank you. I'm clean. Yes, I'm changing.
So we just got here, so now we're gonna head to the pool. So we'll catch you later. She said hello. Let's see, Amelia. What do you look like? Alright guys, so here we are.
Here we are. Mommy has already broken sunglasses.
Mommy has broken sunglasses. It's, I don't know, 8:30 or so. The park isn't officially open yet, but we stayed on resort. So we are headed to Galaxy's Edge, which is probably already packed, but it's okay. We're gonna go check it out. Then we're gonna go to Toy Story Land. I wanna go do the ride with the pop guns, the 3D
Oh yeah.
Toy Story ride. Let's go do that. I bet there's no line for that.
Probably not.
The Slinky Dog Dash already has a pretty substantial ride. It looks like.
Already?
Yeah.
Can I have my visor?
What?
Yep. Mommy needs your visor. Here you go. I will push, Amelia. So, all right, so here we go. So, I think the sign up for the Jedi Academy is over here somewhere. Okay. All right, they don't want to do the Jedi Academy. All right, that's fine. But I don't know. I know it's over here near Indiana Jones somewhere, but I don't know where. So. We're not moving far.
Please show your identification.
Amelia.
And what are you doing on Batu? Can't hold you on that. Go on then. All relax.
So now we're leaving Animal Kingdom. We hit Hollywood Studios this morning for Smuggler's Run, and a host of other things today that we didn't miss the other day when we were there, because we were only there for a couple hours. We were actually there for a few hours today too. So then we went to Magic Kingdom just briefly, so that Marina could get her pin.
Mommy.
She wanted the special Halloween pin, and we missed out on it the other night. We were there for the Halloween party. So we went there during Halloween party hours for a few minutes earlier. Then we came to Animal Kingdom so we could go hit a couple rides in Pandora. And so now, so that's 3 out of 4 in one day. Now we're headed to Epcot to go make sure we get all 4 in one day. So here we go.